30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 2. Master the most common daily expressions. Have you ever studied English grammar for years? But when native speakers talk, you suddenly feel lost. Maybe you know the vocabulary. Maybe you understand the grammar. But native speakers say things like, "What's up? I'm down. No worries. Sounds good. My bad." And your brain goes, "What does that even mean?" Don't worry. Today, you're going to learn one of the biggest secrets to sounding natural in English. Daily expressions. Because fluent English is not only grammar. Fluent English is real English. The English people actually use every single day. So today, you're going to master some of the most common daily expressions native speakers use naturally in conversations. And trust me, these expressions will instantly make your English sound smoother, friendlier, and more confident. Let's begin. Part 1. Why daily expressions matter. Here's something important. Native speakers rarely speak like textbooks. Textbooks often teach, "Hello. How are you today?" But real people usually say, "Hey, what's up?" See the difference? One sounds formal. The other sounds natural. And if you want to become fluent, you must learn the language people really use in daily life. That's why expressions are powerful. They help you understand conversations faster, sound more natural, respond more confidently, connect with people more easily. And honestly, many conversations repeat the same expressions again and again. So once you master them, your speaking improves very quickly. Part 2. Expression 1, what's up? Okay. Let's start with one of the most common expressions ever. What's up? This simply means, how are you? What are you doing? What's happening? Very casual. Very common. For example, friend. Hey, what's up? You. Not much. Just relaxing. Easy. Natural. Friendly. And notice something important. Native speakers usually answer casually too. Not like this. "I am currently in excellent condition today." Too formal. Keep it simple. Part 3. Expression 2, no worries. Now let's learn another super useful expression. No worries. This means, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Example. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Or, thanks for helping me. No worries. Simple expression. But native speakers use it all the time. And it instantly makes your English sound more relaxed and natural. Part 4. Expression 3. Sounds good. Now imagine your friend says, "Let's watch a movie tonight." Instead of saying, "I agree with your suggestion," you can simply say, "Sounds good." This means, that's a good idea. Okay. I like the plan. Example. Let's eat at 7 p.m. Sounds good. Very natural. Very common. Part 5. Expression 4, I'm down. Okay. This one confuses many English learners. If a native speaker says, "I'm down," they usually mean, "I'm interested. I want to join." Example. We're going to the beach tomorrow. I'm down. That means, yes, I want to go. But be careful. English expressions sometimes have different meanings in different situations. That's why learning through context is important. Part 6. Expression 5, my bad. Now let's learn a fun one. My bad. This means my mistake. Sorry. Example. You gave me the wrong paper. Oh, my bad. Very casual. Very common among younger speakers. And honestly, native speakers use this expression constantly. Part 7. Mini conversation practice. Alright. Now let's practice together. Listen carefully. Conversation 1. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just studying English. Nice. Conversation 2. Sorry, I forgot your book. No worries. Excellent. Conversation 3. Let's practice English tomorrow. Sounds good. Perfect. See, these are short expressions, but they make conversations feel natural and alive. Part 8. The secret to remembering expressions. Now here's a big mistake learners make. They memorize expressions, but never use them. That doesn't work. To remember expressions, you must use them in real situations. So today, try using at least 3 expressions from this lesson, even if you speak alone. For example, what's up? Sounds good. No worries. Repeat them naturally during the day. Your brain learns faster through repetition and emotion. Part 9. Day 2 challenge. Alright. Here's your Day 2 challenge. Today, try to use daily English expressions as much as possible. You can say them out loud. Use them in comments. Text them to friends. Practice in front of a mirror. Or speak alone in your room. The goal is simple. Train your English to sound natural. Not robotic. Not textbook-like. Real English. So remember this. Fluent English is not only about big vocabulary and grammar rules. It's also about mastering small daily expressions native speakers use naturally. And today, you learned some of the most useful ones. Little by little, your English will start sounding smoother, more confident, and more natural. And this is only Day 2. We still have many exciting days ahead.
Dust in logic and in truth we trust. The silver ink on paper.